Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil, so that you don't miss any updates of my videos. In the last video, I explained to you about how can I use reverse VLOOKUP. In today's example, that is today's video, I'll be explaining you how can I use two-way VLOOKUP and match. It is called as a double VLOOKUP. Now, this is my sample data. You can download this sample data from my description. As you can see my data, I've got some employee IDs here, names, products, area and sales. So basically what we want to do over here is employee ID, according to this employee ID, then name, product, area, sales. Instead of using different formulas, in one formula only, I want everything to be shown. First of all, I'll just make a validation for employee ID. Keep a cell pointer over here on this black cell, employee ID. And then come over here, click on data option. Click on this icon, data validation, settings, list, source. Source is this employee ID. So select this full employee ID of yours. This from A1001 to A10010. Okay. So that should give you all your numbers over here. So whatever number you click, that is A1004 I've selected here. And over here we want this heading. This top heading is name, product, area, sales. That also validation. Once you keep it on this black cell, click on this data option. Click on data validation, settings, list. Source is asking this top heading. And then you say OK. So you get all these details over here. See. So this is my data. So you get this name is there, A100. If I click on A1004 and I've selected name, so you should tell me the name of the person is Meena. So Meena should come here. If I click on product, now product of A1004 is Munch. So Munch will come. So one formula only everything will be shown to me. Area if I click of A1004 East. Then if I click on sales, A106 sale is 15,000. So that is what we want to be seen over here. So that's why it is called as a double lookup, because I'll be using my formula here called as VLOOKUP and match. So that's why it is called as double lookup. One formula only, everything will be shown. So the formula you'll have to use it like this. See, keep it over here on this yellow cell equal to VLOOKUP that J6 this number A1004 comma. Select this full table, leaving that heading of yours, because this heading will be taken care of, that validation will take care. So that's why I don't have to select the heading. So C3 say G12, this full table is selected, comma, and write down your match, bracket open, K5, that is whatever you select from here. I've selected sales over here, so that's why it will show me sales over here, K5, comma, and this top heading is there, this top heading, top. Select that part, comma 0, close the bracket, comma 0 and close the bracket. Now this 0 that you have, this first 0, this is your match ka exact match, and the second 0, that is your VLOOKUP ka exact match. So now when I press enter, so I should get the answer here. So if I change this number to any other number, or if I want the same number only, sales, and instead of sales, if I select name, it will show me name of that person, see Meena. Product, if I click, it will show me Munch. If I click on area, it is going to show me the area. If I click on sales, so one formula only everything will be shown. Instead of A1004, if I change some other number, A1008, 11,000. Or if I change the name of that A1004 is A, Roy. So if I click on product is Munch. So like that, it shows you that in one formula only everything will be shown to me. If instead of product, if I click on area, see north. So this is the main advantage of double lookup, that is VLOOKUP. I have used here VLOOKUP and match function. If you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next